Hello and welcome everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, so today we are going to be doing a plan with me in my I don't know if you consider this like a true happy planner, but this is a printable and oh my goodness, the printable is escaping my name. Also, I want you guys to know that this particular printable has been giving me problems, just me, because I'm not used to printables, and yeah, so I've had a lot of issues with it for me because, like I said, I'm challenged in cutting things. So this is what I've done. I've done the first week of July, and I'll show you more of that. I tried to print it double-sided like it's suggested, but that is it. I also think the other problem is, it's just that I only have my big happy planner punch. I don't have my small right now, and yeah, this is what I mean. I accidentally, it moved on me, so yeah. Yeah, so that is not this. This one was featured in the blog. Yes, the blog, and I'll link that down below. Gotta be careful because this is just regular copy printer paper. It does not play well with stickers or washi tape at times. This is the box that I received from, what is that? Planner Envy, and their August kit from last year, and my subscription this box. So yeah, so I've used that, and more of the Planner Envy stuff and more of the August Planner Envy box, which is on Etsy. So I'm gonna be doing July, and you see what I mean. And I'm like, I'm not wasting any more paper. My husband's like, oh, we printed, don't worry about it. I'm like, no, I'm good. Okay, so I've used up all of that kit, and yeah, so I'm super excited about that. So speaking of using up a kit, I decided that since I think, I don't know if I remember correctly, I wanted to use, and I did use the headers. I did use the date covers, because I was like, wait a minute, did I use the date covers? Yeah, I did use the date covers, and I'm just going to not worry about it. I'm going to do it down the bottom like I did last time for one of my pages, and just continue to do it that way. Thought I had my other ones and I couldn't find it, but it's okay. Alrighty, so like I said, I will link everything down below. I'm going to be using the Summer Festival kit that I got and I used a while back. So let me start with the bottom date covers. Not the date covers, the bottom washi. Again, this is Karina's kit from Savannah Paper Co. And it almost fits perfectly. Look at that. Okay. Alright, not a problem. That's where you want to lay? That's where you're going to lay. It's a little crooked, but we'll roll with it, right? So let's just put the second one. This is how it wants to roll, so I will make it roll the way it wants to roll, right? Okay, so we are just going to line it up with this line, and bam. So the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I really don't have a lot in the evening that I need to do. Most of the time, I personally, I don't use this one. I use it up on the top if I have date covers, but I don't have the date covers. So if I don't have the date covers, I'll use them on the bottom. Or sometimes I'll just chop them in half if I really want to use it in my print press and planner. So yeah, so that is something. You can still put like little stuff down there, so it's usable. It's still, you know, workable. So I actually saw something that I really wanted to use, and I like doing this with my okay. Oh, that actually almost looks straight. Go me. Alrighty, so which one do I want to use? I really like this one here, and I'm just going to butt it up against the and use this daily to-do list. And let me see, I know I have headers, so nope, here we go. Ta-da! All right, I still have some headers, yay. So what am I going to do? Actually, I may just use these for the bottom because these are the thicker ones. Yes, so what I would do is I'll use the word ones. Let me see, how many do I have of these? One, oh wait, this one will work. You know what, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one. Just fine. Now I'm going to use this one up here. And use a to-do header. That works perfectly. Change your plans. All right. Pedal. All right, so nope, that's not working. It's crooked. All right, so let's kind of move it over a little more, a little smidgen, and move it up. Oh, we have some school header, even though this week is all about school, so. And it just decided to rain. You know what? It's not coming up, so I'm not gonna bother. I'm just going to try and lift this one up a little more. Yep, perfect. And thought I saw a habit tracker. I know I saw a habit tracker. Lost my eyes are deceiving me. Nope, I didn't. I did. All right, so I don't need bill trackers. I got that all taken care of this week. Well, actually coming up, so. Okay guys, so I don't know exactly what happened, but here is the week from July 16th, July 15th, sorry, 13th through the 19th, using Karina's kits. I got this as a freebie, her foil overlays, and so yes, this is the 13th to the 15th, and this is the 16th to the 19th. This is her washi. This is the festival. From her kit. This is from Peppermint Planning. I will link everything down below. And yeah. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.